cleaning from the bathroom today, so if you are yet to subscribe, please make sure you hit the button below. Know what I mean? So today I'm going to do my own hair. Like, I'm going to braid my hair. Yeah, I don't know how it's gonna come out. This is my first trial. Like, I haven't even tried off camera. Like, I'm just gonna do it now with you. I don't know how it will come out. I'm just crossing my fingers. I just hope it comes out very, you know. The hairpiece that I'm gonna use, it's this one. It's called Afro. Yeah, it's Afro, and I'm gonna use color black. This is number one. Yeah, it's number one. So let's get started. Yeah, so I think I'm actually getting there, but I'm a bit hungry and I need to go and make some lunch, then come back. And I'm actually proud of myself. I can't believe I really tried. Like, this is my very first braid. Like, I never braid anybody. I never tried on anyone. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Like, okay. Okay, see you guys in a few. I can't believe I did this myself. Like, I'm really proud of myself. So yeah, thank you. This is like really cute. It's really long, and I think that's why I took time to finish. I don't know if you can see, but it's really, I don't know if you can see, but it's really long. It's quite long. So thank you so much, guys. If you watched until the end, please don't forget to subscribe and also like this video. Give me some thumbs up and yeah, comment. Thank you. See you in my next. Bye.